YouTube people out there, this is a small video just showing you guys that I altered my Harlem 125/91 wig by braiding it and dipping it in hot water and getting this reaction out of it. Okay, stay tuned to the next video. I talk more in depth about it. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Maybe you can see it a little better now what I did. And yeah, I've never even touched Brazilian bundles before. I've never bought any, but I know that this looks like that. And that's how this wig can look if you go through the trouble of braiding it and putting it in hot water. And I think what will happen also too, if I don't touch it a whole lot, it won't fuzz out, you know, because sometimes you have to repeat this process. After about 2 weeks, you may have to repeat it. It depends on how often you wear this wig. I don't wear it every day. I switch it out with another wig that looks similar to it, and I wear a blonde wig that's very long too. So yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that because I felt if I tell you what I did, that's much easier than taking you to the kitchen, the boiling water, and all of that, because I know people do that. I know that people do that with their units. They, you know, they do this to them, but they take it step by step, which isn't really necessary. You know, if you're told exactly how to do it, that's all that needs to be done, because that's like wig altering 101. I mean, who hasn't done that, right? But I just wanted to show how beautiful this wig looks if you do that. And yeah, this is how it's going to come out. If you do it right, that's how it's going to come out. But your braiding technique, how you braid it, determines how the wave in this wig is going to come out. You know, that, yeah, that's the determination there. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Give my video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. And I will have another wig review on the way, as I am a Wig Types giveaway winner. So I will be reviewing that unit when they ship it to me. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.